Hello ladies and gentlemen. In our planet, guys, it's only one way to do the right thing. You see this brick there? It costs you about 30 cents. You see the block here? One USA 125. It's only one way to prevent and stop to kill ourselves. Because if I pay to destroy the forest, I pay to kill myself, to kill my brothers and sisters. Do you want to build a wall the right way, prevent and protect life? If you don't know, right now, for where comes pure water? Pure water comes from the tree. If I pay for destroy my forest, I pay to destroy my life. If you don't know what you need, that's what you need, guy. You need a Portland cemento. You're going to fill it out this block here with concrete, all right? You're going to attach the wall to the block with concrete. Some people call it ladder. This is duro wall. That's what you need, guys. Duro wall. Duro wall go right here. Every 2 courses of blocks go the duro walls. 1, 2, 1, 2, and this go another duro wall. Figure out how much money you need. Save your money. Keep the money in the bank and figure out how big you want your house, how many blocks you need. This is 16 inches from here to here. You want to build the house, you want to build around your house 40 feet by 40. Figure out. Get your phone, a calculator. 16 inches. Very easy, guy. Put the material together. Buy a piece of land and build your own house, guy. My grandmother, she never went to school. And when she was 20 years old, she built her own house the right way, guy. This is 2 by 4. This is forest. You pay for destroy the forest. You pay for destroy your life. You need a somewhere, right? That's what you need, guy. Sand, Portland cemento, duro wall, rebars, and the concrete mixer, right? I was 17 years old. I had my own house. 17, 1-7. Building the right way. Just like that, guy. You know how to pay insurance. This thing never gonna cause fire, and this is natural. Stay away from the stupid carpet. Carpet is destroy your life. Using ceramic and do a concrete on top. Why you wanna do the concrete on top? You wanna use the rebar. All right, you're gonna do the plywood on top, support with 2 by 4, and do a rebar. Every feet gotta be another rebar. Gotta be 1 square feet and tied with metal wire. The problem is not the money, guy. The problem is you don't know. But what we do, guy, if we don't stop this problem today, tomorrow gonna be no life, no country in our planet. We destroy our forests. We don't do absolutely nothing here, no matter which country you are. You are in Honduras, Canada, Europe. You destroy the forest. You not do absolutely nothing for nobody, not for yourself, not for nobody. But you kill yourself and you kill the others. This You pay insurance, this junkie catch fire, and you don't have nothing. What you have in your hand, go to the Chester. You live under the shingle. You better find out if your president has Chester for you, because that's what you have in your hand. Chester. Talk to your president, stop to playing game, and build a Chester for your children if you live under this junkie. Once again, the problem is not the money. You don't know, this video is going to help you guys. It's going to help your family. It's going to help your country. Because you don't stop destroy a forest, tomorrow you don't have no country here. You know how, right now you know absolutely nothing. You live under this shingle. Put your money together. Figure out how much big you want your house. My grandmother was 20 years old. She never went to school. And she have a house with concrete. She no pay insurance. She no pay to nobody to buy aeroplane for no reason. Save your money, buy a piece of land, and build something with you where you like it, how big you want. I no one throw money on the garbage no more. This is the way to build a house, guy. Help your country, help your family, and do the right thing. Because if you not stop doing this junkie, tomorrow you don't have no country. No matter what part of this world you are. South America, USA, Canada, Europe. You destroy the forest, you do absolutely nothing for yourself, and you don't do nothing for nobody. This video is very tough. Talk to your president and build a wall. Want to protect your family and want to protect your country. Just like that guy. God bless you. Hasta la vista, baby.